Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can make a Discord bot. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Discord Developer Portal. Then open the official website, log in using your account, and you will be redirected to the homepage automatically. After that, click on New Application button at the top right corner and click on Create after naming it. Then add an icon of your choice. Go to this tab, access URL Generator tab and select Bot. Then checkmark the permissions you want to allow for your bot. You can also allow it as an administrator, but it may be dangerous because your bot may get hacked and your server will be lost. After that, copy the link, paste it in a new tab, and authorize the access to your server. And that's how you can make a Discord bot. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.